Hi, my name is Ben Ricklefs, and I have my class here from Western Iowa Tech Collision Repair. We're here at Peterbilt of Sioux City.
About a dozen students from WIT's auto body class toured the body shop and service department at Peterbilt of Sioux City on May 11th. The tour was led by Jerry Hesse, service and body shop recruiter. Body shop advisor Jamie Hansen is a WIT graduate himself and has worked at the dealership for 11 years.
It's probably about 50-50, I suppose. Some of these SMC ones, their body part has aluminum on them. Some of the front ends are SMC fiberglass.
As WIT instructor Ben Ricklefs described some of the projects his students have been working on, service manager Harlan Gilfie had some words of advice when it comes to looking for a potential employer.
Tool room, it'll be clean and organized, and I'll tell you right now, if you go to a shop and look for a job, first place you want to go is our tool room. Because if it's clean and organized, the rest of the building will be.
Students toured the large oil change pit and learned that Peterbilt of Sioux City is one of 5 dealerships in Iowa and Nebraska that make up Midwest Peterbilt Group. The tour ended in the parts department at Peterbilt of Sioux City, where students received a Peterbilt hat as well as information on job opportunities at Midwest Peterbilt Group following graduation. If you'd like more information on our company, visit pbtruck.com.